Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like pencil sketch filter on Photoshop, like how you can turn a photo into a pencil sketch. Select your photo here and just duplicate it. Then you're going to go to Filter, Stylize, and you're going to select Find Edges. Then you're going to select this button, select the black and white filter. Select the button again and go to levels. Then you're just going to adjust the levels to your liking, like so. And that is it. You'd want to find like a more simple photo, to be honest, so you don't get grains like this. But that's pretty much it, really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.